Hey friends, it's Becky Henderson here. I was one of the core puppeteers for Jim Henson's The Dark Crystal Age of Resistance on Netflix. The 24th of September was Jim Henson's birthday, and he said about the original Dark Crystal film that he created, it was the most work, it was the most difficult, but it was the most fun, and it was the most rewarding, and of all projects, it's the one he's most proud of. And I was thinking on that, and I dug out this little video project I made for myself while filming the series. I would film a second of footage every day for the last 2 blocks. We filmed for 11 months, 176 shoot days. I sadly didn't start this project at the start because it was really hard. The job, not the project. It was really overwhelming work. So I didn't even have the spare brain space to take a second of footage every day. But by block 2, I felt more comfortable and confident in what I was doing. And I wanted something to preserve it. I would be sitting underneath, inside these most breathtakingly beautiful handmade sets and doing the most insane puppetry in the most ridiculous situations, thinking this is once in a lifetime. I will never be in this situation again, and no one's gonna believe me that this happened. I think it's the hardest job I'll ever do, but I also have never laughed as hard, I think, as on that job, as in the bellies of Thra, and felt such a sense of achievement working with a team of people. Every single crew member and puppeteer were working together to make this piece of art. So I thought I would share a glimpse of that with you through the little video project I made for myself. It's not a making of behind the scenes. It's more of a POV through my lens as a puppeteer working on the series. So I hope you enjoy. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed your glimpse into the POV of a puppeteer on this series. If you want the actual top quality professional making of the show, how we did it, watch The Crystal Calls, Making the Dark Crystal Age of Resistance on Netflix. And yeah, I am really proud of what we made. I hope you love the series. I hope Jim would be proud of us now, and long live Thra.